Welcome to 1 Minute School. Today I'm going to show you how to get Google's VEO3 AI video generator completely free from anywhere in the world. Let's unlock Google's most powerful AI video tool together. This isn't just for creators. It's for anyone who wants Hollywood-style AI videos using just text. Google VEO3 is an advanced text-to-video AI tool developed by Google DeepMind, creating cinematic-quality videos from simple text prompts. VEO can handle long prompts, different styles, and even edit scenes frame by frame. Just a few words, and boom, you get a 1080p video in seconds. Here's the truth. VEO3 is not available to the public yet, but there's a simple way to request access, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Step 1. Go to the official page, veo.google. Step 2. Scroll down and click on Join Waitlist. Step 3. Sign in with your Google account. Fill in the form with honest info. Describe how you'll use VEO. Submit and wait. You'll get a confirmation email and access when you're approved. Once approved, use Google VEO3 to create short films, realistic ads, anime scenes, or fantasy videos. Just describe your scene and VEO makes it. That's it. You've learned how to get Google VEO3 for free and start creating insane AI videos from anywhere in the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 1 Minute School for more AI tools and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you got access.